Hi, welcome back. It has been a while since I've seen you guys. As the title suggests, it'll be Get Ready With Me, talking about kind of where I went. I just fell off the face of the earth. So I wanted to just kind of formally apologize in this video for you guys, talk about kind of what I was, why I wasn't posting, and then just kind of talk about other things in this video, apply some makeup, have some fun again. I did use some new products in this video, which I will talk about in a later video. So if you're interested in hearing all about that, then keep on watching. Go ahead and get started doing my makeup while I kind of do like a get ready with me, talk about kind of where I went off the internet. I just kind of ghosted everybody, both on my Instagram and on YouTube, and how that wasn't really my intention at all. My last post on Instagram, I had intended to keep posting, maybe like not as often as I was doing, because I felt like I was really spreading myself thin. I was really forcing myself to make sure that I had posted every single day. I was making sure that I was posting reels, you know, like twice a week or a little bit often. I was really trying to like do a lot to do. It gets tiring, and you know, you're tired from posting every day, you're tired from creating looks every day, you know, you just need a break. I had no desire to sit at my table, I had no desire to do eyeshadow. I was just like, I don't really feel like doing anything, I didn't really care. It was just all gone, and I didn't really want to post, so it didn't make sense for me to be online even if I didn't post. Like, to me, the logic is, if I don't need to post, I don't need to be online. And I also just needed a break from just social media, from just YouTube, from my Instagram. Because when I got back on, there was so many wonderful messages on Instagram that were like, hey, I was thinking of you, or haven't seen you post in a while, or how are you doing, I hope you're doing okay. And it was so, like, I want to cry from that, because that was so sweet. Like, to know that there's people out there who care about you, who worry about you and wonder, you know, you're used to posting so often, and then you just go kaput, and people are just like, whoa, like, you know, it was really heartwarming. And I appreciate everybody that reached out. I appreciate everybody that cared and wondered and messaged and reached out. Some goodness from them. Social media break as well. I'm still not back on Instagram. I have no intentions anytime soon as of recording this. Recently I had bought a new palette, and I've been enjoying that one. I am not sure when I will be back on Instagram, but for now I am sort of back on YouTube. I am not really sure. This is also the thing I wanted to talk about too with you guys. I'm coming back. My channel, I kind of revamped it a little bit. I changed my profile picture, which I am absolutely loving. It also updated the banner. It still says Violet Tries Painting. Description, I updated. I put a cool little quote. I don't remember what it was, but it was cool, because like, it kind of described, it's like, my face is, because essentially, like, my face is a canvas, or my face is a mood board. Every day is an exhibition. There we go, something like that. And that just basically pertains to makeup, where it's like, you know, every day you feel a different mood, every day you feel like doing a different color, or doing a different look, style, whatever the case may be. So that's kind of still there. I don't know where I kind of want to go from here. So I turn to you guys for ideas, for video ideas, for look ideas, for content, like just whatever you want to see. I'll do my best. I started a Google Doc over the weekend. I started kind of editing it, creating ideas, going back to like my previous videos and doing like little updates on things that I never updated you guys on. And so, you know, just like a whole sheet of what might be good. I am using some new items in this Get Ready With Me that I will talk about in a future video. So, like, I will still incorporate hauls, I will still incorporate, you know, some like new makeup, but not like, it won't be bombarding you like some of these influencer channels who are like, this new makeup you need, all of this new makeup. Like, I don't buy new makeup like I once did. Like, I used to buy a bunch of makeup over and over, over and over. Like, it would be a new thing every month, and that is just not attainable. It's just also not healthy anymore. And I don't plan on doing that. Like, I barely buy eyeshadow palettes. I barely buy, like, any makeup. I had not bought any makeup this year, only on Black Friday. And I'm pretty happy about that. I'm accomplished. I know my makeup, like, once or twice a month, which is crazy. Because if y'all know my Instagram, you follow it, which is always linked in the description box. If you follow me on there, you would know. I literally do, or did my makeup, like 5, sometimes 6 times a day. Whoa, a week. Imagine doing the good. I don't think I can function. I wouldn't have a life if I did that. Anyway, this might hit some of you. This might resonate with some of you. I don't want to hate you. There was a YouTuber who's back, and I'm so excited because she was someone that I watched, like, I want to say, like, almost 10 years ago. And she's back on YouTube. She's back and posting. She started on TikTok, and then now she moved over back to YouTube, which I am so happy. But her name is Ready Set Glamour. Her name is Michelle. Her channel name is Ready Set Glamour, and she's back on YouTube. I freaking missed her. She's alive. She's well. She's back in. Well, I don't know if I can say back in makeup, but you know, doing makeup content. And like I used to watch her probably like 10 years ago, alongside of Jessica Brooke. Like, those were the main 2 channels. Like, little old me, in college, watching, because I used to watch Michelle's Elf skincare videos. Like, those were the ones that really, really take me back. And I don't really know what else to update you on, besides just saying, I am sorry. I don't mean to, like I mentioned earlier, I didn't mean to completely abandon you guys. I didn't mean to go ghost. I didn't mean to just fall off the face of the earth. Me coming back on Instagram, I did post on my stories saying I'm not really back. I'm going to go back in my little hole, but I'm still here, alive and well. And I feel like some of my responses to the people who cared about me, I didn't intend to sort of come across as like ungrateful or that I wasn't excited to see them, because I was. I made a lot of friends on there, and I'm sure that a lot of them felt hurt, felt really just sort of betrayed, that I just sort of abandoned them, that I just, just stopped talking to them, because it was something I would talk, frequently. And, I hope that I didn't come across as, like, ungrateful or just negative or disrespectful or anything, because that's not what I want to come across as. So, if you felt that way, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. Like I said, full accountability. And I hope that in time, some of y'all can forgive me. I hope in time that I will be able to talk to you guys again and, continue the friendships that we started, because I really enjoy talking to so many of you on that platform on Instagram. That I love that I can talk to people about makeup. I love that I can talk to people about life and just whatever. So it's been a very heartwarming feeling. It's very heartwarming. So I think for the rest of this video, I'm going to speed it up. I'm going to do my makeup, and when I come back, I will do a fun little look with you guys, because this is one of the new palettes I got. So actually I got 4 palettes. And this is the what they're calling the dupe for the Patrick Ta Major Dimension palette, something like that. And I've been really enjoying this, and crazy enough, it's Makeup Revolution. Yeah, I wish I have too, so. Get my nails done. I want to say a week before Thanksgiving. They're still not done, still working on them, but they're supposed to be Bratz Rock Angels inspired, and I'm obsessed. I'm loving them. Surprisingly, with how long they are, I'm not having difficulty doing any tasks like I normally have. I don't know what is in me, but I love them. And I'm like tapping, I'm like grabbing out all of the extra that people do with nails. Yeah, I'm one of those. thank you guys so much for watching this video and for your support of me coming back. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you guys have a fabulous day or night, wherever you're watching, wherever you are in the world, and I will catch you hopefully in my next one.